So I'm making this tutorial on how to make custom animations for like furniture or markers. I'm going to be basing mine on Magnolia's dance marker, and I use Gray Shepherd's how to make and post furniture from idle animations tutorial to kind of understand stuff. It's got like all the basics and how I learned how to do this, but videos just help me out a little bit more. And I'm going to be referencing it for the create metadata part. And what you're going to need to do, go to your data folder, go down to Fallout 4 animations, open up Bay. We don't need sound. Go through here, actors, character, animations, and there's like a whole bunch of different animations you can go through and find the one you want. I already extracted my animation, so it went into my meshes, actors, character, animations, furniture, and you're also going to need this enter from and exit to animations, and then your animation that you extracted. When you download this tutorial, go to files. You can see he already gives you the enter from and exit to files, and you're also going to need your animation text data, which will be back in meshes, and we'll get to this later, but when you run your command prompt, you're going to get this, and you're going to get a whole bunch of files, but you only need these two: animation file data, animation offset. Right now they're empty because I'm going to show you how to make them. And now we can get into it. So we're going to need to type in human, search everything, and human race subgraph. We're going to duplicate that, and I just search everything with my LTC tag, legalize the Commonwealth. And we're going to need a piece of furniture. So let's just do a chair because that's easy. You can grab any chair. You can grab, I think this is a chair. Yeah, we can use this. And we'll just delete that and do our LTC tag again. And we're going to need to be able to create it. So we're going to need a constructible object. We'll duplicate this. And we'll label it with the LTC. One more thing we need. Miscellaneous keyword. And we can just make a new keyword. LTC keyword. word. Now that everything's created, we can go to LTC, search everything, and we can start wherever we want, really. So we can do dance mat. Now we're going to get rid of all these keywords. And we're going to have to change the model to a mat. So, and we'll do static. This one's my favorite. So we'll control copy that. And you can see it's just a little institute mat. And we'll make this a little mat. Now you can see he's not really going to be sitting. That's just the marker thingy. Now we're going to need to add our keyword. LTC. Let's try LT. There. And we're going to need to add the script. Search for workshop object script. And we just autofill. New. And we go workshop. Resource object. 1. Add workshop work object. And I'm pretty sure that's it for this part. So this animation marker is all done. I'm sure I probably forgot something, but if I did, we'll go back. I'll go LTC again. Search all. File save. Constructible object. And we're just going to have it show up in our workshop chairs. New. I'm charging caps for everything. So caps it is. And we'll make it 10 caps. And we'll build our LTC dance mat. And we're going to delete whatever condition that is. Okay. Save it again. Now these 3 parts are done. This is where things get tricky. In this little subgraph area. So you double click your little subgraph and you go all the way down here to subgraph data. You go to furniture. Oh no, I think it's all. And then new. And we're going to add our keyword. LTC underscore. Okay. Now we need to get a path to our animation, which will be that. The furniture role. So you change the role to furniture. Got your animation path and your keyword. Now this is the part that's confusing. Let's browse this. I never really remember what goes here. So this is why we jump back to over here. And it'll tell us. It's actors, characters, behaviors, furniture. So we'll type in actors, furniture, now I would just go through here and grab it, but I accidentally don't have it, so we're just going to do it this way. And just copy this, because even if you don't extract it, you can still do this way. Actors, characters, behaviors. Actors, character, behavior. And just in case I like messed up the slashes or something, I'm just gonna do that and click OK. See, I messed something up. This is what I did wrong with. Go back to data. Oh no. Okay, let's go to meshes. Now do. Yeah. See, that's how it's supposed to work. Last time mine said actors, because I was already in the actors category. So you go back to your meshes, and then you type in this line, so it doesn't get all messed up. So now you have your path, and your behavior, and your keyword. And then you click OK there, and OK again. And now we file, and we save. And we're pretty much all done with the creation part. So let's exit out of that. And now we're going to start our create metadata part. As you can see right here, open PowerShell if you have Windows 10 or command prompt for like other systems, and we're going to go to our Fallout 4 and go to our data. So where I messed up was I was just going to my Fallout 4 and right clicking my data directory. You actually have to go inside of your data directory. So we're at Fallout 4, we go inside of our data directory and we shift, right click, open PowerShell window. And it gives us our little directory or where we're at. And then I just copy this little line right here, control copy, and then control paste. And I just go through and I backspace right there, backspace. And we're gonna have to rename this LTC underscore something. And then we make sure everything's spaced out right. Not sure at all if it makes a difference, but just in case. We gotta figure out what I named my little ESP though. Okay, LTC animation 2. And animation 2. And another thing about this little section right here is, if your ESP has a space in it, I guess it won't work. That's what I heard, you know. So just make sure it doesn't have space. And then you click enter. Now, my luck is some red light's gonna shoot up and I didn't do it right. But this time I did it right. I don't do it right a lot. And this sometimes takes a minute, but it's worth it if it works. Excuse me, I sneezed. But yeah, it's not very hard. It was just pretty confusing when I first started. And it took me like a few days and like help from, you know, the animation gods to figure this out. And yeah, Colonel's Egg and Gray Shepherd helped me out a whole bunch with this. So big shout out to those guys because they're awesome. But yeah, once this is all done, everything's gonna be awesome and work flawlessly. Alright, so now the creation kit closed and it just gives you this screen back. And then we go over here and we see if everything worked. And see, all these extra things right here populated, we're just gonna delete those because those don't matter. This is what matters right here. This, and I don't know what this is, but you don't need that either. This is important, and this is important. So you need those things. And once it makes those things, and you have your little animation stuff, now you can close out of that, and close out of this, and close out of this. And yeah, that's the whole video. Let's just make sure it works. And we go into here, and we just activate this. We launch it. And play. Sometimes it takes a minute for my Fallout 4 to start up, but it actually started up pretty quick that time, which is cool. I disabled the intro videos and the intro music and stuff, so I'm sure that's why. And we'll just load the game. You can see I'm already at Red Rocket staring at the ground, so I was already testing this. But I was testing it for a different piece of furniture. So let's pray this piece that I just made works. Yeah, the first time I load up uh, my game, that 4SD never works. So I'm in my chairs where my constructible object should be somewhere. And here it is. So let's pray. Make a bunch of this. I feel like one won't work.
Hey,
So we go get MJ and we say, get over
go
here.
check that out.
Something didn't work.
I need to assign someone to this.